Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can install Java JDK 25 in Windows 11 or Windows 10. To get started, simply open your browser and search for Oracle Java. From the search results, go to this web page. Click on download now from here. Now scroll down the page and click on the Windows segment. From here, download the 64 installer file. Once downloaded, right-click over the file and run it as administrator. Click on Next. Next again to install it. That's it. Now click on Close. Now go to this PC. Then C drive, Program Files, Java folder. From here JDK 25 folder, then to the bin folder. Now copy the folder path from here. Now search for environment variables and click on edit the system environment variables option. Then click on environment variables. Under system variables, double click on path. Then click on new from here and paste the copied folder location here and click on OK. Now close everything. Search for command prompt and open it. Now type in this command and hit enter. And that's it. Java is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.